Hello guys, it's Technology Freak and okay, really? VoiceOver, you're gonna do that? Anyway, okay. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Okay, there we go. Now, this is being recorded on an iPad Pro from 2017 or 2016. Sorry. The reason being is because I'm here to do a tutorial on how to use a phone without a home button. Now, I did a uh, I did a action tutorial where I basically did the screen recording of an iPhone. In my case, it was a 12. This will work with any iPhone running. Well, excuse me. This will work with any iPhone from the iPhone 10 and later, obviously. If you guys don't need this, do not listen to this, as you guys, most of you, already know how to do it. Now, what I will tell you is that for those that don't know how to do this, or for those that do not understand, in 2017, Apple released the iPhone 10, which started this home buttonless phone thing with their devices. And then it went on from 2018 to the present. Though they released some iPhones without a home, they released iPhones with a home button. Those were the SE models. I don't have any iPhones with a home button. This iPad I'm recording on has a home button, but it also has the gestures. I'm not going to show you because, well, that's what using the phone is for. Anyway, let's get started with this.
9:33 a.m. 4 notifications. Speech off.
I'm going to go ahead and lock this. And this is a lot, because I have Face Unlock, the Face ID. Hang on, it's gonna, there we go. Just swipe up. Okay, I did a home gesture. It has those clicks, it has those sounds. I'm going to turn speech on.
Speech on.
And I have it at medium, what I would think is a medium volume.
Oh.
Now, what's on the home screen does not matter at all. What matters is how to do these gestures. I'm going to put my finger on the bottom.
Doc. Messages. Search. Page 1 of 3.
See, it is kind of hard to do it, okay? You got to be able to have your finger, you got to think of it like a track. You got to kind of move it straight up.
Actions available. Lift for home. Lift for home. Lift for app switcher.
And it'll tell you, lift for app switcher.
Lift for home.
Lift for home.
Lift to cancel.
It'll say lift to cancel. And I could do that. I'm going to stop that. Hang on.
Notification dismissed.
I'm going to dismiss that for now.
Photos.
You gotta have,
Notification dismissed.
come on, messages, come on. Okay.
Lift for control center. Lift for notification center. Lift for notification center. Lift for notification center. Lift for control center. Lift to cancel. Act cellular. Photos.
So yeah, this has been demonstrated on an iPhone 15. So anyway, the whole thing when it comes to doing this, you really gotta be
Discover Alexa. Discover Alexa. Discover Alexa Plus.
Discover Alexa Plus. I have my Echo over here. This one. Let me move this a little bit over here. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Anyway, you got to be straight with it. That's the main thing. You got to be able to keep your finger straight on it. You know what? The screen.
9:37 a.m. 4 speed.
You got to be able to keep a straight line going. You can't just like. I mean, trust me, this was hard when I got the 12, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to, continue with this. But yeah, this is a bit of a tutorial. Sorry it's long. Most of you guys should know this. People are like, oh, well, I don't know if I want to be using an iPhone without a home button. And, well, I mean, it's simple, really. You just gotta know how to do it. It's not just about hearing the sounds. It's about keeping it straight. It's about keeping it straight. Yeah. Most of you guys already know this. In fact, when you get a new phone without a home button, it will basically tell you about the gestures right then and there. So yeah, this is Technology Freak and I am out.